Welcome to Edumon Tutorials. I'm Shravya. I'm an instructor of M2. This video is about equations reducible to homogeneous form. The equations of the form dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Here, numerator and denominator are homogeneous functions in x and y as they have same degree. There are two cases to solve this. First, when a by a dash not equal to b by b dash, we take x equal to capital X plus h and y equal to capital Y plus k. We'll substitute these values in the differential equation. Then we'll get equation in this form, which is homogeneous in x and y. Then we'll reduce it using y equal to bx. Case 2, when a by a dash equal to b by b dash. Here, when ab dash minus a dash b equal to 0, h and k values become infinite. In this case, we take a by a dash equal to b by b dash equal to 1 by m. Later, we'll substitute in the differential equation. Then, we'll consider t equal to ax plus by. We'll substitute this t value. We'll get equation in this form. This can be reduced to variable separable. Solve the given differential equation dy by dx equal to y plus x minus 2 by y minus x minus 4. So first let's find a by a dash and b by b dash values. A by a dash not equal to b by b dash. So we're gonna solve this differential equation using case 1 method, that is x equal to x plus h equal to capital Y plus k. Differentiating this, we get similarly differentiating this equation, we get. Let's substitute these values in the given differential equation. In order to reduce the given differential equation into homogeneous, these constant values must be equated to 0. On adding this, k value will be 3, h value will be minus 1. Now, equation 2 becomes which is homogeneous in x and y. Now, let's take y equal to nu x. Differentiating this, we get Substitute this value in this equation. Let's collect x terms on one side and u terms on other side. Integrating both sides, we get multiply and divide with -2. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. Here derivative of this is of the form integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. So integration of f dash of x by x equal to log f of x. Similarly, this will be log x. Let's substitute new value in this. A log x equal to log of x bar a log a plus log b equal to log of ab. Now sending this log to this side, we get let's take this constant and c dash. Here x equal to let's substitute h and k values. And substituting x and y values in this equation, we get This is the required solution. Let's look into another example. Solve the given differential equation. Given equation is find a by a dash and b by b dash values. Here a by a dash equal to b by b dash. So the given differential equation can be solved using case 2 method. Four x plus 6y can be written as 2 into 2x plus 3y. Now, since we cannot separate x and y, put 2x plus 3y equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x. Write t and dt on one side and dx and x on one side. On integrating both sides, multiply and divide with 7. Integral of 1 by x plus b equal to log of ax plus b by a. Substitute t value, that is 2x plus 3y. Let 49 is equal to C dash. This is the required solution. If you have any queries regarding this, ask in the comment section below. Let's look into linear equations in the next video.